Alright, so I have these vampire pliers, and they're supposed to be able to strip anything off. So, they are right here. Let's see. So far, so good. And I tried everything to get that off, and it just kept rounding out. So, first one looks like it's gonna be all right. Let's try this one. Let's try it now. Thing was in a hell of a bind just then. Set this down for a second, see if you can. Oh, crap. Got it started a little bit with two hands. Pretty damn hard trying to do it with one because still kind of in a bind. There we go. Getting a little traction. And looks like they work. First time I really had to use them. I purchased these things maybe about 6-7 months ago. First time I really had to use them to get something out. That was really it worked.